turn it up.
Hello and welcome to day 21 out of 31 days of Halloween here on my channel. So today I'm doing a scarecrow. I start off this look by having my brows blocked out and my foundation already down, and then I get a lid, as you can see, and I draw around it using the Colourpop liquid eyeliner in the shade Numero Uno. I then fill in about 90% of it with a black face paint, and then I do exactly the same on the other eye. Sticking to that face paint and using a really long thin brush, I create the brows. Then I fill in the rest of my eyes. Don't ask me why I did it this way, I just did. And then I went straight into the blusher. So I use a pink face paint for this and a blending brush, as you can see, and I place it on the apples of my cheeks and blend it out. Then I get an orange face paint and start to paint the carrot on my nose. Going back to that long thin brush and the black face paint, I start to paint the smile. So I draw this really high up so it goes up to the apples of my cheeks. This is just the classic smile where you draw a thin line and then draw some lines going the opposite way, going down to make them look like teeth, I think. I don't know why people do this, but it looks good. I then use a red face paint and start to paint the lines of the carrot. With the white face paint, I'll start to paint the stitching going in a cross over the eyes. With a really stiff brush, I tap into some brown and a black face paint and start to tap it over my face to create some texture and just make it look a little bit more dirty. To complete this look, I added some accessories. So this wig is just a doll wig that I had, and the hat is actually a Harry Potter sorting hat off of Amazon, and I've got these autumnal type things like leaves and flowers and berries I think are on there as well. I just pinned them all to the hat, and then I've got this straw type stuff that you can put around presents. I then tied it around my neck like a bow and then added some to the hat and the hair. Let me know what you think about this look in the comments down below. If you do like it, make sure to press that like button so I know. And if you're looking for some more Halloween inspiration this October, make sure you subscribe to me here on my YouTube channel and follow me over on my Instagram page, as I'm uploading every day of October on both of them. My Instagram is @Brooke.Ellis_. It is linked in the description down below, and it is also my TikTok handle. In the description is all of my social medias if you wanted to have a look, and also I have some discount codes in there from some makeup brands if you are interested. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
We about to turn it up.